Hey, Kate. Here's Grandpa's new house. What do you think, huh? Look at that floor. Wow. Look at that mess way down there. Oh, Grandpa, you're such a slob. Whoa, what a messy. There's our couch. And there's some of our kitchen cabinets. And there's... Oh! Look, no floor. Where'd it go? All those little pieces? Yow. Making you dizzy? There's more stuff. And then, messy Grandpa. Look at tools everywhere. Oh no, more tools. And here's the refrigerator and the kitchen that Grandpa and Grandma put up. Cool, huh? And there's another floor, kitchen floor. Grandpa did it. It's all covered. Now let's go into, I gotta hurry because this is only 2 minutes, into the bathroom. So, oh, look at that floor. Guess who did it? You're right, Grandpa. And I put that together, and that was fun. And here we go. There's the lavatory. And here's the big bedroom. And there it looks out onto the porch. Oh, more floor. Pretty, huh? Alright, let's go this way back. Oh, there's more floor. Boy, that was the hardest thing I ever did. Right? Yeah, you're right. And then there they are in a box. Then you gotta take them out and bang them with this gun. And they're just little teeny pieces. It's taken forever, but I'm taking my time and I'm not getting too messy. And nobody gets mad like Grandma Peg, because she wants me to go slow so I don't get tired. Ha. Yeah, getting there, man. Pretty soon I'll be all done. Oh, ceiling with the lights.